Welcome to Sraiki Traders, your trusted space to master technical analysis in binary options, Forex, and crypto trading. Before we begin, please note, this video is made for educational purposes only. Trading always involves risk, and it's important to trade with knowledge, discipline, and responsibility. Today, we're analyzing a real market setup on Euro to US dollar in the OTC market, using the 5-minute candle and 5-minute expiry strategy, a setup that's perfect for practicing high-conviction trades during weekends or low liquidity periods. As we begin, take a look at trendline and support zone. Here, we've drawn a clean, reliable trendline. Notice how multiple candles touch and respect this line. This isn't just a line, it's a powerful psychological level where buyers and sellers repeatedly react. In trading, a well-tested trendline is a visual representation of market confidence. It helps us identify when momentum is still intact and when it might reverse. A trend line isn't just for entry, it tells you about the story of market structure, confidence, and reaction zones. If you've been placing entries without understanding trendline behavior, you're likely missing out on high-quality confirmations. Make sure to mark trend lines only when there are 3 or more touch points, not forced, but respected organically. This is one of the keys to sniper-style entries, and it separates amateurs from skilled traders. Now, let's shift our attention to where we've highlighted a very strong support zone. This zone has been tested multiple times. Each time, the market pushed back up, rejecting that price level. A strong support level in OTC markets behaves slightly differently from live markets.
Why?
Because OTC is dealer-generated pricing, and reactions can be more technical. This makes levels even more reliable, if drawn with logic. Look closely at the candle wicks. Are they long or short near the support zone? Long wicks rejecting the support suggest strong buyer interest. That's your confirmation. This is where your setup becomes more than just a drawing. It becomes a real opportunity. So what are we doing here? We're using a confluence approach, combining trendline plus support zone to identify high-probability trades. When price reaches a support level and also touches a trend line, momentum reversal is much more likely. This is where traders make smart decisions. Instead of guessing, they wait for confirmation. And that's exactly what we teach you to do at Sraiki Traders. Let's slow down and think strategically. Why does price react from these zones? Because markets are driven by human behavior, emotion, and algorithms. These zones represent where buyers feel it's cheap enough to enter again. That's why the same levels get respected again and again, until they break. Understanding this lets you trade not based on hope, but on logic and evidence. At Sraiki Traders, our mission is simple: to help you master real trading setups that work, not signals, not shortcuts, just clean, smart strategies that stand the test of time. We guide you through chart structure breakdowns, candle psychology, reversal and continuation patterns, risk control and discipline, and how to think like a professional trader, not a gambler. If you're watching this and thinking, this is the kind of technical clarity I've been looking for, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button now and join a growing community of learners, traders, and students of the market. Don't trade in isolation. Learn with us. Practice with purpose. Ask the right questions. At Sraiki Traders, we give you weekly analysis, pattern breakdowns, and practical examples you can apply to your own charts, whether you're trading binary options, Forex pairs, or crypto. And again, this is not financial advice. The setups shown are for educational purposes only. Please backtest everything. Use demo accounts to practice. Build confidence before trading with real funds. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to Sraiki Traders, where your journey from beginner to advanced trader becomes structured, smart, and skillful. Learn, practice, master. Your technical journey starts now.